In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Clickup. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, setting up automations can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency and keep tasks from slipping through the cracks. So, let's dive right in and see how we can streamline your processes with just a few clicks. First up, you need to access your Clickup account. Open up Clickup in your web browser and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice the multiple features that Clickup offers, each designed to keep your projects running smoothly. But today, our focus is on automations, a powerful tool that can automate repetitive tasks and give you more time to focus on what matters most. Now, on your dashboard, look for the Automate option. You should find this in the sidebar. Click on this option and you'll be directed to the Automations page. This is your starting point for creating a seamless workflow tailored to your project's needs. Here, you're just a few steps away from making your workload a lot lighter. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Automation button. This is where the magic begins. Think of it as crafting a specific set of instructions that Clickup will carry out automatically whenever certain conditions are met. The idea is to reduce the manual effort you put into routine tasks so that you can focus on bigger picture items. The following step involves selecting a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the automation. Clickup offers a variety of triggers such as task creation, task changes, or due dates. Think about when you want your automation to take place. For instance, maybe you want an alert or an email to be sent out every time a task is completed. Simply pick the event that suits your workflow best. After selecting a trigger, you need to choose an action. An action is what you want Clickup to do once the trigger event occurs. Actions could include sending notifications, modifying tasks, or even creating new tasks. This ability allows you to build workflows so things like follow-ups and task updates happen without you needing to lift a finger. And finally, once you've selected both the trigger and action, the last step is to click on Create to finalize your automation. It's as simple as that. Clickup will now handle these tasks automatically, saving you time and effort. Remember, you can always go back to make adjustments or create new automations as your projects evolve. And that's a wrap. You've just set up your first automation in Clickup. Automations can appear daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, they become invaluable. So feel free to experiment, and soon enough, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.